Live media has outgrown the way the industry traditionally built systems. Today, a single live service spans venues, networks, cloud platforms, service providers, and broadcast operations, and no single organization controls it all. The real challenge is no longer devices or bandwidth. The challenge is making the entire live service behave predictably under pressure. The Open Media Platform and Nimbra Live Intelligence allow operators to treat live media as a controlled system instead of a collection of different boxes, giving broadcasters, service providers, and sport organizations the confidence to scale live operations. Most solutions in the market still focus on optimizing individual devices, encoders, gateways, processors. But live services don't fail because one box fails. They fail when the system becomes unpredictable. What we deliver is not just hardware or software. We deliver predictable live service behavior across networks, cloud, and organizations. That system-level predictability is really what allows operators to scale without losing control. And that's something box-centric approaches simply weren't designed to solve. Because in live media, uncertainty is the biggest cost. A single disruption during a major sports event can impact viewers, rights value, and brand trust instantly. What operators really need is to know how the live service will behave before a problem happens. Nimbra Live Intelligence gives them that visibility and control across the entire workflow, not just inside one network or one vendor's equipment. That's what protects revenue and reputation. Service providers need to scale live services across many customers and environments while still guaranteeing performance. With traditional approaches, scaling usually means more manual operations and more over-provisioning. With the Open Media Platform, service providers can deliver predictable services at scale across managed networks, the internet, and the cloud. That lowers cost per service while improving reliability, which is a very powerful combination. Live media is becoming one of the most demanding workloads in the world's networks. The industry doesn't need more boxes, it needs predictable live systems. That's exactly what the Open Media Platform and Nimbra Live Intelligence deliver. And we do it in an open and interoperable way across hybrid net environments, across organizations, and without requiring customers to replace the infrastructure they already depend on. That's how live media can scale with confidence.